Hi friends, welcome back with a new video. Hope you are safe and sound. As you know that there are many kinds of software available to record screen, but if you don't have one of them you can record with PowerPoint. In this step-by-step tutorial video, learn how to record your PC screen on desktop or laptop using Microsoft PowerPoint. I show how to record your full screen or just an area of your screen. You'll also learn how to edit your video, including cropping and trimming, and how to export your video, either on a slide or as an MP4 file. So, let's get started. Open PowerPoint and select blank presentation. Before we start the video, if you are new, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you won't miss the upcoming video. In the menu bar, go to Insert and click Screen Recording. Now as you can see that there are some options like Record Mouse Pointer, Record Your Voice, Select Area and Stop Button, which are very simple to use. Select the area, and click Record. As you click there, screen recording will start after a moment. Screen recording is started and it will record each and every activity done on your PC screen. When it is done, just click the stop button. Now let's check it. Here are many options including brightness, video effects, video border, and lots of other. From here you can change the brightness of it. You can make your video in different shapes. You can crop the video from here if you want. Now at last, how to save this video. Just right click on it, press Save Media As, and select the destination, where you want to save it. The file is saved in MP4 format on desktop. I really became very glad for your presence. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, it will really motivate me to create more videos for you.